The Toyota Land Cruiser JF40 is not just a vehicle, it's an icon in the world of off-roading. With its rugged design, unmatched durability, and off-road capability, this classic Land Cruiser has earned a legendary status among enthusiasts and adventurers worldwide. Today, on Z Auto Advisor, we take a deep dive into the history, features, and performance of the JF40 and why it remains a beloved classic even decades after its production ended. The origins, a heritage of strength. The JF40 belongs to the 40 series Land Cruisers, produced between 1960 and 1984. It was Toyota's answer to the growing demand for a tough, go-anywhere vehicle that could rival the likes of the Jeep CJ and Land Rover series models. Inspired by military-grade design and Toyota's engineering prowess, the JF40 quickly gained a reputation for reliability in the harshest environments, from the deserts of Africa to the jungles of South America. With a sturdy ladder-frame chassis and a boxy yet functional design, the JF40 was built to endure. Whether it was used for farming, exploration, or military operations, this Land Cruiser proved its mettle time and time again. Design and build, simplicity meets durability. The Land Cruiser JF40 is instantly recognizable by its no-nonsense, utilitarian design. Its compact two-door body, round headlights, and vertical front grille give it a timeless, rugged appeal. The steel body panels are designed to withstand rough terrains and extreme weather conditions, making it a favorite among overlanders and collectors. The interior of the JF40 is as practical as its exterior. Minimalistic yet functional, it features a straightforward dashboard, durable vinyl seats, and a simple instrument cluster. While it may lack modern comforts, the focus was always on durability and ease of maintenance. Engine and performance, powering through any terrain. Under the hood, the JF40 came with various engine options over the years, ranging from inline-six gasoline engines to reliable diesel powertrains. One of the most popular choices was the 4.2 L2F inline-six engine, known for its robustness and ability to handle tough conditions. The JF40's 4WD system, combined with a solid front and rear axle, made it a beast on off-road trails. With a high ground clearance, short wheelbase, and excellent approach and departure angles, it could tackle rocks, mud, and deep water crossings with ease. Whether climbing steep hills or traversing rough landscapes, the JF40 remained unstoppable. Why the JF40 remains a classic today? Even though production ended in the 1980s, the Toyota Land Cruiser JF40 remains highly sought after. Its simplicity, durability, and legendary off-road capabilities make it a favorite among restorers and off-road enthusiasts. Many JF40s are still in use today, proving that Toyota's engineering stood the test of time. Additionally, the classic Land Cruiser market has seen rising values for well-preserved or restored models. Owning a JF40 is not just about driving a vehicle, it's about experiencing a piece of history. Conclusion: a timeless off-road legend. The Toyota Land Cruiser JF40 is more than just a 4x4, it's a symbol of adventure, reliability, and unmatched toughness. Whether used for off-road expeditions or proudly displayed in a collector's garage, the JF40 continues to inspire a new generation of enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary Land Cruiser JF40, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Z Auto Advisor for more automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the JF40 and if you've ever had the chance to drive one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.